Greetings everyone, back again with another video full of knowledge made just for you. Today we are going to talk about collections. In the previous video I mentioned collections, which is simply an object that groups multiple elements/values into a single unit. The truth is that there are many types of collections, but in the next two videos I will cover the main types across languages, their details as well as how we deal with them. Now before we go on, I need to mention a special topic: libraries. Libraries are groups of pre-written code that allow you to do things that you normally wouldn't be able to. Some collections I will showcase today can only be created by importing some specific libraries. Some libraries will even allow you to create similar collections with differences only noticeable if you look deep within. The first collection we will discuss is called list. For this example, we are going to use our grocery list. List has a couple of qualities but not limited to: order. The elements are stored in a specific order and can be accessed using indexes, which are integer numeric values. The first element of a list has an index of 0, while the second element has an index of 1, and so on. It is simple to retrieve a copy of an element. We need the variable to receive the value, followed by the equal sign, and then the name of a list, followed by the index of the element we want encased in square brackets. The list is also mutable. We can change an item in a list by accessing it directly as part of the assignment statement. The same way we retrieve a value from a list element, the same way we can assign a position in the list with a new value. In this case, we notice that we no longer need bread, but we need tomatoes. So we replace bread by tomatoes like this. The list also allows duplicates. You can have multiple elements with identical values. In your list, you can add milk twice, because you will need to buy 2% milk for you and almond milk for your partner. Finally, lists are also extendable. You can append new values aside from the ones already on the list. This is perfect for you to add new items in the list when you notice you ran out at home. An important detail to mention is that elements on a Python list can be of any type, but in Java and C++, the elements have to be all of a type that you specify when you declare the variable list. Confused? This is how we put all of this in practice in code. Right here is where we create a brand new variable grocery list. Here is where we insert each of the elements on the list one at a time, and here's where we do the activities I already explained. The next collection we will talk about is called array. Just like list, the elements of an array are stored in a specific order and accessed with indexes. The arrays are mutable, as well as they allow duplicates, like a list. In Python, arrays are extendable, but in Java and C++ they are not. To extend elements, we have to declare a brand new array with extra space, then pass the values from the old array to the new one, plus append the new element, and then finally put the new array into the old variable. Notice that in all three languages we need to specify which type of value the arrays will store. The next collection we will cover is a dictionary. I do need to clarify something. The term dictionary is how this collection is called in Python, but for C++ and Java, the collection is referred to as a map. Just like a list, dictionaries are mutable and extendable. But the important part is How we identify the elements. Lists have indexes, which are self-appointed position numerical values. But dictionaries have keys. Keys in C++ and Java are whatever type you specify at declaration. But in Python, it can be whatever type you want. This is like being in the military, where your rank identifies who you are. The key on a dictionary /map identifies the value that they are connected with. It was a pleasure to teach you all about collections. Stay tuned because I still have more to teach you about this subject. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. I will see you guys on the next time. And remember, never stop on your learning journey.